Day 26. Day 26. I was about to say day 9. It's like I'm working on page 9. Don't know. I don't know. I need a nap right now, but that's a whole other story. Please tell me I don't have the hiccups right now. I do this every time I start coloring without getting all the whites in before I start going. And that bottom panel is going to require a lot of actual, and I did it again, it's going to require a lot of actual painting on that page as opposed to me just filling in my line art. I don't know why I was about to attempt to do this from so far away. Let me zoom in and try this again. I couldn't see nothing from that distance. And I was definitely about to try to sit up here and see if I could select what I needed to. Also, I need to make it a point to try and record now. I know we're supposed to be getting a lot of thunderstorms in a couple hours or so. And just in case today is the day that the meteorologists decide to be correct, I want to kind of have this finished. I'll worry about that. Well, I can at least block the color in. Let me see. Why is everything... Stop! What is happening right now? I'm having to put all this detail into this freaking bus. Oh, no, not done. Okay, now I can get going. Ah, damn it. Let me stop rushing. Okay. Now let's try the shading process again. Just did all that painting of the sky in the other panel, and I never paid attention to how I really was doing anything. And now I don't know how to paint it in this panel to make a uniform. So me recording would be the perfect time for this to happen. What I basically just did, I don't know why I didn't do this beforehand. Instead of just using white to do the, I guess, the sun setting on the mountain, I actually picked up a bit of the orange, or a light portion of the orange, and did it that way instead. Actually looks much better. I'll try it again since I need to do it down here. Oh boy, I need to go back on my flat color, because that's not painted all the way for some reason. And I painted in the Raekwon's hair, so I do that. Okay. Now going back, select the mountains. First we'll get like a black just to get the shadows around the base of the mountain. Then do shadows on the dark side of the mountains, which would be the only area that's not facing it. Then take the orange and create my highlights. That's a little too much. Okay. You get the idea. That's not perfect simply because their heads are in the way, but you get the general gist of it. Okay, I actually picked this too large of a space. I'll pick out the stars from my template a little later. That did not sound so good either. That completely sounded like thunder. Okay, need to make a shadow on this. Well, since I'm already down here, might as well paint this. I actually need that to stay slightly lighter. I screwed up. Okay. It'd be nice if I selected the red the first time. Right, there we go. That's much better. Much better. Alright. Excuse me for a quick moment. I will be right back. Alright, and I'm back. What was I doing? Okay. Oops. Okay, why is the undo not working when I press it? Okay. I don't know what weird pain that was that just went through my foot. There's quite a bit of detail that I'd be missing from this just because of the distance away this is. So I don't need to go over too crazy doing this. So I might have made this harder on myself than I need to. Why do I keep looking at Raekwon when I come back to the colors I need? Division uses little effect. This bottom panel should be pretty much done. Let's make this a little bit larger. I have to take a nap after I finish this. The first day of the entire challenge where I feel like I'm falling asleep as I'm drawing. No! If you open this back up. There we go. I don't know why. So why something looks off with the way I drew Raekwon? I can't figure out what it is. There's nothing. His neck's just the wrong color. Come on now. You know what? I'm wasting too much time doing this. Pen tool. Oh, that was so much easier than the other side that I just did. Actually practically done at this point. These highlights for Dan, and then start working on the top panel. I should be straight. I just have to do my line art. And now my stomach's growling. I guess this video is just going to be my body doing just weird stuff while I'm working. Actually, I'm not done yet. The two things that I want to do before I call it quits on this. Start off with the easy thing, which would be the stars. So open this up, inverse, cut. All right, got the stars in, and now my second thing. Oh, what am I doing? This is much easier if I just did this instead. Alright. That is page 9. What is this? Day 26 of 100 Days of Making a Webcomic. Like and subscribe if you like the video and you're new to the channel. And thank you guys for watching. I am seriously about to go take a nap. You all have a good one. And I'm out. I am definitely out right now.